Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hi students, welcome back to our class. Today we are going to study about rules for convex mirror. In the previous videos we studied about rules for concave mirror and terms that are related to the spherical mirrors. Let us study how to draw a ray diagram for convex mirror. So what are convex mirror children? Yes, convex mirror are a type of spherical mirrors. Okay, so convex mirror are a type of a spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved outwards. In the figure it clearly shows. So this is the curved surface. The reflection takes place on the curved surface. Light comes from this side and it reflects back. Okay, so this is how the reflection takes place, which is curved from outside. Such a mirror we call convex mirror. And remember children, convex mirror always form diminished, erect and virtual images. So now let us study how to draw a ray diagram for convex mirror. Now here are some of the rules. Rule number 1. A ray parallel to the principal axis. Okay, so this is our convex mirror. Okay, let us plot few terms. Okay, the center of the midpoint of this mirror is pole. Okay children, the center of these sphere is center of curvature. The midpoint between pole and center of curvature we call it as focus. Okay, so what is the first rule? First rule says that the ray parallel to the principal axis. Now the ray parallel to the principal axis, as I said you, the light comes from this side. Okay, so this is a reflecting surface which is bulged from outside, which is curved from outside, is a reflecting surface. Okay, the ray comes parallel to the principal axis children. So this is our principal axis. The ray comes parallel to the principal axis. Okay, how it behaves? It diverges. Okay, it will diverge children. How it diverges? As it appears passing through focus. Okay, it appears like passing through focus. Is it clear children? The ray parallel to the principal axis, okay, appears passing through focus. It appearing passing through focus. This is the first rule. Then how to draw a normal line? From this point you draw a dotted lines to the center of curvature. So this is your normal line. Okay children, so this is your incident ray and it is your reflected ray. The ray parallel to the principal axis on meeting convex mirror, it get reflects. How it get reflects? As it appears diverging through focus. Okay, this is our first rule. Is it clear children? So you have to practice along with me children. Okay, right, let us discuss now rule number 2. Now rule number 2, this is converse of rule number 1. So what rule number 2 says that a ray traveling in the direction of focus, a ray traveling in the direction of focus, after reflection it will become parallel to the principal axis. Okay, now let us draw the ray diagram for it. Okay, so what is rule number 2? A ray traveling in the direction of focus. Okay, so this is our principal axis which we are drawing children. It's our principal axis. Okay, the point on the mirror, the midpoint on the mirror is pole. Okay, center of this sphere is our center of curvature. The midpoint between P and C is our focus. Actually what is focus children? The point of convergence or divergence on the principal axis. As we know, convex mirror are diverging mirrors. The light rays will get diverged when they fall on a convex mirror. So this is convex surface children again. So light reflects back on this bulge surfaces. Reflection takes place on the bulge surfaces. So what is rule number 2? Ray traveling in the direction of focus, after reflection it will become parallel to the principal axis. Now this is how we draw. A ray travels in the direction of focus. Okay, so from this point you have to draw a dotted lines. A ray traveling the direction of focus. Okay children, then how it behaves? It behaves parallel to the principal axis. This is how it behaves, children. Ray traveling in the direction of focus. After reflection, it will become parallel to the principal axis. This is our principal axis, it will become parallel. Then how do we draw normal line? So this is how we draw normal line, children. Okay. Is it clear, children? This is rule number 2. Okay. Now let us move to the rule number 3. Now rule number 3, children. Rule number 3 states that a ray traveling in the direction of center of curvature after reflection is reflected back in same opposite direction. Okay, children. So let us draw the ray diagram for this rule number 3. So this is our convex mirror. Again same. The principal axis. First of all, we have to draw the principal axis exactly from the line which is passing through this. Okay. Then pole. What is pole, children? Midpoint of the curved surface is the pole. Center of the hollow sphere is our center of curvature. Midpoint between pole and center of curvature, we plot it as F. That is focus. Okay. So what's the rule number 3 says? Rule number 3 says that a light ray traveling in the direction of center of curvature. It's traveling in the direction of center of curvature. Okay, children. The light ray is traveling in the direction of center of curvature. So this is how it travels. In the direction of center of curvature, it reflects back again in the same opposite direction. Now rule number 4. A ray traveling or incidented on a pole on a convex mirror, it reflects back making same angle with the principal axis. Okay. The ray, it is incidented on a pole. The ray which is incidented on a pole, it reflects back by making the same angle of reflection. So whatever the angle that it is made by the incident ray, with the same angle it reflects back. Okay. So these are the rules for convex mirror. So children, these are the rules for drawing ray diagram for convex mirror. Hope you have understood this class. In the next coming classes, we are going to study how to draw a ray diagram for various positions of object distance when placed in front of concave and convex mirror. Okay, so if you like this video, please do like it, share it and subscribe it, children. Thank you. Have a good day.